Radhe Shyam Telugu movie summary in English in 1978 Italy, Vikramaditya aka Aditya is a young world-renowned astrologer. After having read the palm of the Prime Minister Indira Gandhi and mentioned about the emergency, India, he runs to Rome. Dubbed as the Einstein of palmistry, he is a disciple of the Saint Paramahamsa. Aditya was a playboy who does not believe in romantic relationships. But he instantly falls for Dr. Prorana, a gorgeous and clumsy young doctor. They meet on a train but separate thereafter. One day, Vikramaditya reads the palm of Anand Rajput, an aspiring politician, who is the only son of a well-known Indian businessman. Aditya predicts that Rajput cannot be a politician and his fate is to be the heir of his father's business. This leads Rajput's men to chase Aditya, which results in him having an accident. He is admitted into the hospital where Prorana works and is treated there. After recovering, Aditya proposes to Prorana to be in a flirtationship with him. Prerana, however, feels insulted and leaves town, but Aditya follows her all the way. She accepts his proposal and they begin to date. Prerana's uncle, Dean Chakravarti, however, asks her not to develop any deep feelings toward Aditya. When Aditya and Prorana are traveling on a train, a stranger requests him to read the palm of his daughter, Tara, an aspiring archer. He predicts that she does not have any future in sports, and she should instead focus on education. Amazed by Aditya's skill, everyone in the coach asks for predictions by showing their palm, but Aditya hesitantly gets down along with Prerana. However, he realizes that everyone on the train is destined for immediate death. He chases the train to stop it but in vain. Later that evening, the train meets an accident, leading to several casualties. Prorana, who starts to believe in palmistry, asks Aditya to read her palm. He predicts that she would have a long life with a bright future, but she faints immediately with a bleeding nose. Prerana is admitted to the hospital where her uncle, who is also a doctor, reveals that she is suffering from an incurable tumor and may die within months. Aditya disagrees since he predicted otherwise but is expelled from the hospital. Prerana is now hopeful of her life. Her uncle, on the other hand, believes Aditya is a fraud and that only medicine can change her fate. He tests Aditya with 5 dead people's palms, and Aditya deduces all of them correctly. Her uncle changes his mind and trusts Aditya's prediction. When a cure for Prerana's disease is found, an elated Prorana proposes to Aditya. However, he rejects her by saying he cannot love her as he does not possess a love line and would be leaving the country soon. Dejected, Prerana attempts suicide but comes across Aditya's diary. She learns that Aditya was prepared to sacrifice his life to save her. Before leaving, Aditya takes Prorana to a ballroom dance as per her wish and the couple spends the night intimately. Prerana leaves a note in the diary that she'd choose to give up her life instead when such situation arises. She willingly meets a car accident and is admitted to the hospital. Aditya, who is in London for his mother's dance show, reads Prerana's note in the diary. He calls the hospital and is shocked to know the condition of Prerana. He urges Prerana to live, promising to meet her soon. When Aditya is in a dilemma about his prediction, he comes across Tara, who has lost her hand in the accident. She tells Aditya that since she does not have a palm now, she can write her destiny. Aditya, who is now in a hurry to meet Prerana, boards a cargo ship to Italy which is captained by a person he met in the hospital. However, the ship is caught by a storm in the sea and everyone abandons the ship on the captain's orders. Aditya, however, is trapped on the ship alone. Overwhelmed by the force of nature, Aditya struggles to survive. He recalls his Guru Paramahamsa's assertion that palmistry is only 99% accurate, and there are 1% of the people script their own destiny. Determined to survive, He uses all his strength to reach a high point and fires a flare gun. The captain returns with a lifeboat. The ship sinks but the drowned Aditya remains afloat. Later, Aditya arrives at the hospital and reunites with the recovered Prerana. Aditya proposes to Prerana and she accepts. The film ends with Tara winning in Paralympic archery and Aditya and Prerana's marriage.